screen, which is a help screen. But first, we're gonna look at what this screen has. So first, there's a food variable. In the food variable, we create an empty list, and we get the names of all the sprites in there. And so for each item in the list, we get the global food variable. So we put at random the heading and the speed of each item. So every item has a certain speed, which is from 3 to 10, and a certain heading, like where it's going to be located on the canvas, which is from 1 through to 360. So then we have this variable, which is the fatness variable. And here we have for the 9 items, we have like sort of the same code, which is when you touch fitness, like a healthy snack, the fatness goes down by 1. In a sound plays, which is like the weight loss sound. Also, the canvas from where like the scale is placed gets greener. But then if you eat something that is unhealthy, the fatness gets added 1 point, and the canvas turns red. And sound 2 plays, which is like a wrong sound, you know. This side we have here that for each item, which is like sort of the same, which tells us like when the item reaches the edge, it should bounce the edge off the edge, and this is for every item. So here is the blocks that explain the game. So if global fatness is equal to 0, then it will take you to a screen that is win. But if global fatness equals 7 points, then you lose, and it takes you to screen lost. So that's pretty much it for this screen. And here are the colors. And so here's the text, you know. So when you get, like when you subtract a point, here it is like the first 4 are good ones. Like if you get, how do I say this? Like if you eat healthy snacks, this will appear in the scale, but if you don't, these 2 will appear. And these are equivalent to this ones, like just 1 word to blue and that. And for the screen number, we have 3 other screens. The first one is help, and so this one's pretty basic. Like you can see the information of like about the app, and then the go back button. And then the other screen is the lost, in which it just tells you better change your habits and play again. And the last